Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to set up Buddy Grid Trading. What is grid trading? Grid trading is perfect for sideways or volatile markets. Imagine a fishing net. The bot creates a grid of buy and sell orders within a specific price range. As the price bounces up and down, it automatically buys low and sells high to capture profit from every fluctuation. Step 1. Select your coin. First, choose the coin you want to trade. Option A, Default Mode. If you want the simplest setup, just select a preset capital amount, like 100 U or 500 U. The AI has already calculated the optimal range and grids for you. Simply click Save, and you are done. It's that easy. Option B, Custom Strategy. However, if you are an expert and want full control, select Custom. This unlocks all advanced parameters. Step 2. Time frame. First, choose your analysis period. 7 days, 30 days, or 180 days. This helps the system generate a range based on recent market history. Step 3. Set your range. Define your playing field. Upper limit. The highest price the bot will sell at. Lower limit. The lowest price the bot will buy at. Step 4. Grid mode. Now, choose your grid mode. Geometric. Each grid has the same percentage difference, best for crypto/compounding. Arithmetic. Each grid has the same price difference, good for stable assets. Step 5. Grid density. Set the number of grids, for example, 30. Note, more grids mean more frequent trades, but lower profit per trade. Step 6. Moving grid. This is what makes Buddy Grid special. You can enable moving grid. Instead of being stuck in a fixed range, the moving grid uses the EMA-7 trend indicator. If the market moves out of your range, the entire grid automatically shifts to follow the trend. This prevents you from being left behind during a pump. Step 7. Protection. Finally, you can set a trigger price to start the bot only when a specific price is reached, and enable strategy stop loss to protect your capital if the market crashes. Step 8. Launch. Once your parameters are set, click Save. Your Buddy Grid is now live, ready to catch profits 24/7. Whether you choose the one-click default mode or the advanced custom mode, grid trading turns boring markets into profit opportunities. Happy trading!